Hi everyone, welcome to LITSOFT online training. Today we are going to discuss about SAP S/4HANA SD determination procedures. Here is a list of determination procedures. You can see two parts, core determinations and additional determination. We know about in SAP SD, okay, so a lot of determinations are there. So here you can see a number of more determinations as a partner determination, text, free goods, listing, exclusion, and lot more are there. But main determination for interview purpose as well as you need to know about, okay, so what are the determination, how they got determined while we are going to use this. The first one, item category determination, the transaction code is VOV4, schedule line category determination, VOV5, shipping point determination, OVL2, then plan determination depending on the different parameters, storage location determination, OVL3, route determination, 0VRF. No need to remember the T code, but okay, so that is for the shortcut. Pricing procedure determination, OVKK, tax determination, revenue account determination, output determination. The additional determination we can see business area determination, requirement type in the sales order, how we are going to get that one, the availability check, transfer of requirements, delivery document determination, item category determination for delivery documents, batch determination, billing document determination, credit control area, OVA8, other determination as I mentioned earlier. Let's see, so one by one, how they got determined in the sales transactions. Here we can see item category determination, VOV4 and a table T184. Whenever a you need a table, so you can just ready reckoner. And you can have the screenshot here. So the same document flow. So here, the document type, item category group, usage, higher level item category, and default item category. This determines the sales item category. You can see here the example war as a sales document type, item category group, norm, usage for the batch as well as the free goods. Okay, so for other you can use higher level item category and the default item category. Okay, so these are the manual item categories. So you can have a look at key components for each and every uh, determination, but this is for the informative purpose for only for this one. Okay, so if I go through, sales document type specifies the nature of the sales document, like a standard order, credit memo, any document type you can see as a sales in the VOV8 level. Then item category determination, item category group, you can see, okay, so norm in the material master you use and the bonds, bank, okay, so number of areas are there as the item category group. So which is the main area, so how to get the item category. Then usage, as I mentioned here, for the batch or free goods. The higher level item category and the BOM when you take, okay, so which is the main item category, which is the sub item category, then you can have those areas. So this is the overall idea about the item category determination. And coming to schedule line category, so here you can say VOV5, we can determine schedule lines and item category MRP type. These two are the combination to derive schedule line category. Okay. This will maintain MRP type in the material master and the item category in the, okay, so main specific corresponding item. Here is a screenshot. Item category 10 is an example and the schedule line category CPCN. CN is with no MRP, CP is with MRP. Okay, so when you assign the PD, it will derive in the sales document. Shipping point determination is the most important one. And you see here shipping condition, loading group and plant, a shipping condition from customer master, loading group from the material master, plant from the CMIR. Okay, so you can get the sequence as the customer master and the respective material master, so which determines the shipping point. Table TVSTZ and OVL2 is a transaction code. You can see some example screenshot here. Shipping conditions, loading group, and the client. Okay, so manual shipping point and whatever the shipping points you want to take during the delivery. Here, how shipping point will be determined, some key determination criteria, the shipping condition as there in the customer master, what we use, and the loading group in the material master, how do you load it. Then plant is a physical location, assign shipping point to plant, so that is the combination. Then coming to plant determination, plant is not direct configuration of, okay, so how to get the plant determined. There is, okay, so kind of algorithmic logic, that is VD51 transaction code. You can see for the CMIR, customer material info record. You can see here CMIR can specify a plant for the particular customer material combination. We will maintain as a condition record for the customer and that material, so that, okay, so it will determine. This is the highest priority, is nothing but the indexing one. Then you can go for the customer master, in the BP master, the plant maintenance, and the material master, the plant assignment. Okay, so this is a way, is a sequence plant it will be determined in the sales order. You can see here some other area, sales organization to data, so you can assign that. Then item category, configuration settings, sales area, shipping point, and the plant assignment. Okay, so then some, okay, you can deviate, okay, so how the plant you want based on, okay, so custom code. Then some tables, MERs and T001W. So here storage location determine. If you want to default storage location, then, okay, so you can determine with OVL3. Okay, to remember the T codes, OVL2 you can see in the shipping point, and OVL3 for the storage location determination. And key factors influencing the storage location determination. Here you can see shipping point, delivery point, and storage condition. So here you can say example about the picking location determination, both are same, storage location and picking location. And 1710 shipping condition, this is the storage. Okay, so location. So based on this shipping condition in the material master, you are assigning and you are getting the storage location. So MADI TVO1L and the TVKOL. So this you can see in the AC16N, and I can have some idea about, okay, so how that is working. Route determination. So here route determination will be triggered in the sales order, and okay, so how exactly that will be happen, what is the configuration and why route is needed. Okay, so where do you do that one? Okay, so all these kind of questions can arise. And the transaction code, as I mentioned, okay, so this is just a ready reckoner, a 0VRF, but we need to go with the SPR on the configuration and all that stuff. Some tables, TBRO, TROAZ, and TROLZ. This is for sales level, LZ for the delivery level. Now, departure zone, destination zone, then shipping condition, transportation group. Departure zone is nothing but the shipping point, okay, from where we are shipping the material, where your plant is there. Then destination zone is a customer, is a ship to. Then shipping condition you have there in the customer master like earlier. Then transportation group in the material master you will use. Then it will determine the route. So these are the definition you can go, but okay, so you can see here for a screenshot from the SAP. This is a customer departure and a country region. Okay, so departure zone. This is country, this is zone. Then destination country and receiving zone. Okay, so this is, okay, how we need to give the route assignment, the determination, how do we get it. Then pricing procedure determination, heart of SD. And but okay, so this is a high level only determination as a limitation. And the OVKK, you determine this, and the sales area, document pricing procedure, and customer pricing procedure, which drives the pricing procedure. You can see sales area as a basic thing, that sales org distribution channel and division combination. Here is a screenshot sales organization. Okay, 1710 distribution channel division. This is a combination. Document pricing procedure, where in the sales document you will assign this, and the customer pricing procedures in the BP master you will assign. And whatever Z or standard pricing procedure, tailored one, you can assign pricing procedure here. This is a condition type. Okay, this is how pricing procedure will be determined in the sales document. Then tax determination, tax rules are there, and okay, so some rules, it is not the direct determination, but okay, some rules and the sequence steps are there. Tax country and condition type you need to maintain in the configuration. Then delivering plant, which you plant, so whether it is a tax relevancy or not. Then tax relevancy for customer, tax relevancy for material. So this is a VK11, 2, 3, F11, 12. Okay, so those kind of stuff about the T codes, FI as well as say SD level. This is SD. Just time. Then departure country plus destination country, tax classification for customer and material master. Okay, so you will assign, okay, so what kind of classification those customers are there, whether with the tax and without tax, and here tax will be determined. And revenue account determination, you can see here, okay, to derive the GL account in the overall sales transaction. You can see VKOA, we can, okay, so determine this. Application V is the sales, condition type KYFI, chart of accounts wise COA, as per the best practice, and the sales organization 1710, account assignment group for customer, in the customer master, material in the material master account assignment group, then account key is the number of ERL, ERS, and all that stuff is there. So you can see here, so this is a screenshot, and to have the glance. And what are chart of accounts? Okay, so sales organization, distribution channel, account assignment group, customer material. Okay, this information whenever you get the time, just okay. So while you are referencing it, just you can have a glance on this. Then coming to output determination, and okay, so this is about the NACE level, and a BRF plus separate video we can make it, but okay, so right now this is about the determination this level. Sales document type and the output procedure, output type, access sequence, and condition. Condition technique we know, so how it will be determined, right? Procedure, the condition table will be there in the access sequence. Access sequence, okay, so condition type, then procedure. This is the assignment which is assigned to sales document type. Here NAS, NACH, TNAPR, or those are the output tables. And here is the description about the what are the output types for different kind of document, order confirmation, delivery note, billing, wherever you want. Okay, right now BRO plus is there. Earlier, okay, so you can have the smart forms and all. You can go ahead with that one. And output medium, print, fax, as well as the email, EDI. Output timing, okay, so whether it is a immediate or schedule or job, okay, so how you want to go for it. Then coming to business area determination, plant valuation, sales area, item, any one of these with the plant assignment, okay, so we derive the business area. Then requirement type, this discussion will come when you are attending the interview. When make to order and make to stock, okay, the question will come, how do you define whether the sales order is a make to order or make to stock? Okay, so how do you determine there is a KE and all that stuff, right? So when you are discussing about make to order and make to stock and in depth, okay, so you will get into that one, how that will be derived. But the high level, just okay, so when asked about how that requirement type will be determined, okay, later point of stuff is okay, so which relevancy of that requirement type, so what it defines. Then here strategic group in the material master, so you are going to use whether it is a 40, 20, and all that strategy group, that is from the PP perspective, MRP group, PP perspective, in-house production or external procurement. Then in the configuration you do requirement type plus requirement class. Okay, requirement type will be created, requirement class will be having whether it is availability check, transfer of requirement. These two assignments you will do, and this requirement type will trigger to the sales order. Requirement class will have the controls. Okay, so what exactly, whether availability check and TOR need to be TOR we are taking here. Item category and the requirement type, okay, so will be assigned. Then because TAN you are taking, and what is the requirement type, KE, and what is the requirement class, let's say 001, which will be having the availability check, transfer of requirement checkbox, and okay, all that combination you need to say. Then scheduling category, C and CP is there. CP is relevant to availability check and TOR. Here we are discussing, as mentioned, TOR, and the schedule line category, of course, I will take the control of that. So this is the whole combination you need to give how to derive the requirement type. Then availability check, okay, the high level you can see is a definitions for first key components. Key components, checking group, checking rule, availability check, control, you will do that one, and the configuration steps. How do you do availability check? As in checking group for the material, checking, define checking rule, configure availability check control, availability check requirement class level, and the requirement type level, as I mentioned in the TOR, also in the requirement class, you will be having the checks for the availability check and the TOR. And okay, whether you want the product allocations or not. Then later AATP, the advanced topic is there, we can discuss those. Maintain checking group, MRP3 view, okay, so that is thing. Then the type of availability checks, ATP, product allocation check against the planning. Then here required quantity for the material availability date, customer requested date, means what? So your customer is asking for the specific date, this is a quantity, so they need it. But okay, so it will check about the material availability base, whether that request date will be satisfied or not. So background scheduling, if at all material availability date is good, then background scheduling, backward scheduling, not background, backward, this is, let's correct this. Okay, that's fine. Okay, then forward scheduling will be happen when material is not available. Okay, this is the overall high level about. Okay, so what do you know about availability? Okay, so these are the things: checking group, checking rule, and all this stuff. And okay, what is backward? What is forward scheduling? And okay, so what are the allocations? Are there requirement class, and all these, and the schedule lines. Okay, so these are the areas, components, elements which are there in the availability check. Then transfer of requirements, the same category, you can see almost a 50% are there in the earlier configuration to ensure that the sales orders and deliveries trigger corresponding requirements in the production and the procurement. Okay. So whether the demand request, okay, so you need to send for the external procurement or internal production. That is the purpose of transfer of requirement, whether it is a planning or non-planning is nothing but the schedule lines level you will be having. Okay. So whether need to be planned or not planned. Then, so this is what here procurement and MRP demands, automatic requirement generation, PR will be generated. Okay, real time update in the planning MRP live, it will be sitting. Okay, so while doing the sales order creation, it will be triggered and the requirement will be generated. Order fulfillment, it's fine. And this is the basic configuration. You can have requirement class and type level as TOR and all that. Okay, configuration. So then you will understand that area. Then delivery document determination. So you can see delivery document of what in the sales order in the Vivo V8 order type. Okay, so this is a delivery, right? Yeah, delivery document level you need to go there. And okay, so when you go for that one, default document type, where do you assign in the Vivo V8 OR level and LF is got assigned. That is the default. Later point of time, okay, copy control, what, LF and all that comes. But so the main area is this one, how it will determine. Then delivery item category determination. In the sales order, you have 10. Okay, in the delivery, some other thing you need to get copy control is there. But at the same time, the delivery document item category determination from the sales document, it will copy to the delivery document. 0184 level, you will give the configuration. Based on this configuration, default item category for the delivery will be determined. Delivery type, item category group, usage, higher level item, default item is the same like sales item category. Okay, so those are the parameters are there. You can see here LF and norm is there and a TAN is there. Earlier OR and norm is there, a TAN is there, right? Then these are the just definitions of delivery. What is a delivery document, item category group, higher level item category, BOM and all. Okay, so all these we already discussed. Then coming to batch determination. So transaction code is VCH1. Okay, so to determine the batch. Okay, so if you see here, sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales document type, search procedure, check batch. Okay, so all this is a combination about the derived indexing thing. Then we will be having, okay, so what we need to do to derive the batch. In the material master batch, okay, so you need to activate it, then activate at the plant level, plant and the material master level, one area. Then second is at the sales order line item level. For the TAN is nothing but item category you are going to activate it. Then delivery line item level for TAN, okay. Then activate the search procedure with the sales area. Then create batch. VCH1, okay, so you will create and assign the search procedure, sorting and all that stuff will be there. And you can do that in the VCH1. You will determine the batch. You will get the batch at the sales order level also, but okay, so that is a single level. And okay, so basically we will do the batch determination at the, even though facility is there in the sales order, we generally don't go there and we go at the delivery level, batch split and all different concept. Okay, FIFO, and all that stuff. Then billing document determination, you can see. So same like delivery. See here, VOV8, we go to order the default sales document. Let's say the billing section will be there. There default delivery related billing F2, order related billing F2. Okay. Yeah. So you can give, okay, so whatever Z you will be having. Then credit control area, you can be having credit control area plus risk categories, credit groups. Okay, so in this is a lot we have seen this one. Okay, so which derives the credit control area. What are the credit document credit groups? See here, for the sales order delivery goods issue, interview question will come as, okay, so do you manage the credit control or credit management the invoice level? No, after PGI you cannot manage it. Okay, that is a default thing. And the pricing level also, okay, so credit management, some of alternative calculation type and all that stuff is there. But okay, so not to deviate, just getting here risk categories. no default risk. Okay, here this is a level. Okay, client can have different type of risk categories, but ultimate high level combination is low risk within the low, so they can differentiate it, right? Any new customer is a high risk. Then later they can see about, okay, so how they are performing their payments. Then based on that one, the risk category will be changed. FI and SD means in the finance level also, client level also, finance and the sales department. Okay, so together they will figure out how they want to go for it. Then here is a screenshot for the determination. Credit control area standard best practice A000 risk category. Okay, ABC kind of customers are there. Here you can see, and the credit group here you can see. Okay, so where order level, delivery level, or billing level. Generally, you go for the order level depending on the client. Okay, so what are their products and the customer base and the kind of business they will go for, at what level, whether they need to consider the orders or they're only the delivery items level. Okay, this is the general information about the overview process. And the key components is already we have seen: sales area, customer master, credit control area. So this area, then configuration step define credit control areas. Okay, maintain customer master record in the VP. So you are going to maintain the overall credit limit, all that stuff. Then determination process, check sales area, customer master, and automatic assignment of credit control area. That configuration will be there. Okay, so we need to deep dive into that, but this is a overall understanding about, okay, so this is what the credit control area, and okay, so we can have some information about this area. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching.